Hello again. So following up from today, well, first off, don't worry about the dog in the background. The neighbours aren't home, and she barks like that all the time when the owners go away. So following up a video that I did today live, this is my parts van. This is a TCR 11 with the dual sunroof and everything. Everything I'm going to take off this goes onto her car, and other parts are for my all-wheel drive that I'm going to restore one day, one of those cars. So taking parts out of this, and I came across a problem. I was going to use the tinted windows from this van to put into Tracey's van that I'm fixing up for her. Problem is, the tint lifted when I had masking tape with covers over the windows so you couldn't look in the car while the car was locked. And when I tried to remove the masking tape, the tint lifted. So it doesn't look so bad on the outside of a night time, but you can see here's the tint. That's the garbage bag I had masked over the window, and you can see up here, I'll get a bit closer for you. See how it's lifting over there as well. I can't really use these windows now because the windows need to be retinted. So that comes into a problem for me of I can't fix that for her. What I can do is remove the tint, but I can't retint it. I can't afford to pay $400 to $500 to retint it. So I might try and give retinting it a go myself and see how that turns out. But I could really use help with fixing up her van. If anybody's out there that's willing to give assistance, it'd be mostly appreciated. But I got basically all the parts I need off this van for her van. I've got a few garnishes. I need to chuck in the wiring harness onto hers for the sensors, new spark plugs, so they're the covers as well. With the door, I'm not too sure if I need to take this off yet and the mechanism out of here. I'll leave it for now because I need to find out first why it's a problem on the other one. This rear window tint's buggered anyway, so there's no point changing this tailgate. But what I'm going to do as well, because I want to give her a stereo system that is beneficial to her. So I've got reverse cam on mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her my head unit and set up a reverse cam for her, because basically I'm going to do whatever I can to make sure that she's got a nice van to drive. And I don't want to change this anyway because I like the manual knobs that you turn, so I want to look for a different head unit anyway. I'm keeping this garnish. I'm just going to take it all with me so I can swap the head unit over into her van, set up a reverse camera, and pretty much just do whatever I can to make her van as good as I can. Same with seat covers. I'm putting in different seats better than what she's currently got, but if I can afford to buy seat covers, I'll get them. But like everything else, I can only do what I can do. But I'll do the best I can to make sure the van is safe to drive, nice and clean. And if she needs to, she'll then have a van that she can camp in if she has nowhere to go. That's basically the main reason behind all this, because she is a bit of a she is in a bit of a tight spot at the moment, and jumping from place to place wherever she can. So it'd be nice to, if she needs to, she can sleep in the van. And definitely tinted windows would be beneficial to her, that if she is in the van, that people can't see inside. But yeah, I'll just keep doing what I'm doing. Yeah, Tracey will be using the van on weekends. So she's got nowhere else to stay. She's currently staying at my mate's place because we're all good friends with each other. But she can't stay there forever either, so she's in a real tight spot. So yeah, if anybody can help out, that'd be great. there's I think I have a donation option in YouTube. Yeah, so probably go to that and just do a donation if you're able to. That'd be mostly appreciated. The more I can get, the more I can do up a van. Probably a target of around $1,000, I reckon, to get the windows re-tinted, car seats for the car, floor mats and stuff like that. It'd be nice if I could get them, and I will get them if I can myself. But yeah, I'm not exactly financially well off either. I'm just in a better position than she is. You'll be updated with when the van's finished, and I'm just going to take little bits of video footage of when I change the sensors, not how I change the sensors. It'll just be, this is what we did here, this is what we did there, this is, and so forth. So at the end of the clip, you can see everything that was done. Someone else left in the comment earlier that they have a problem with the tailgate, the same as hers, that you've got to slam it to get the lights to turn off. I will investigate that to see if I can make a clip for you and you know, solve that problem. And yeah, if you've got any things that need doing to your vans and so forth, leave me a comment or something, and so I'll put it on a list of things to do and get to them as soon as possible. I know I have to go through a few of my old clips because YouTube, every time they do a video compression conversion to try and save space on their hard drives or whatever it is they do, my videos are losing quality and they're becoming more pixelated. So the really early videos of mine look horrible compared to when I first uploaded them. So I know I have videos of them to remake as well when I get around to, when I have the time to do that. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, mostly appreciate it. I love all my viewers. You guys are great. It keeps my interest going, that how much you guys watch my clips and how much you like what I'm doing. So that's awesome. Anyway, I'll do what I can do, and if you can help out a little bit as well, you do whatever you can do. Just watching my clips is fantastic too, because it does help. I don't make a lot from YouTube yet, but in time, enough clips, who knows. So till the next clip with the Tarago finished, unless I happen to do a job on a Tarago that's worth videotaping, like doing the tailgate switch. I'll probably make a video about that when I start looking at it. Anything else, yeah, if I don't have a clip other than that, then I'll see when the van's finished, and yeah, we'll go over it and show you everything that's done. I spoke to Tracey today. She doesn't want to be on YouTube, so you're not going to see the expression of her face when it's all finished, purely because well, Tracey's just worried about her husband, her ex-husband. She still has problems with him, so I've said, okay, yeah, that's all right. I'll just let everybody know, maybe it's video the van as it's leaving. But unfortunately, yeah, I can't get it to come to the camera to chat with you and, yeah, tell you her story. But till then, so yeah, stay tuned. The other clips coming in a couple of weeks, maybe a month, when I'm finished with the van, and yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.